So here we are at the Mayan ruins south of Tulum, and Muyil was known as, it's of course an ancient city 7 miles from the ocean, and the ancient waterways that lead to it. And we're on like a 40-minute loop of the
Can we go in the cave?
entire thing. No, they've got it roped off.
Well, there's no difference between here and there.
Well, that's true. They didn't tell me I couldn't climb on it.
Yeah, no, it doesn't say that anywhere.
It says leave the children at home if their name is Cody.
I thought I saw a kangaroo.
And them little funny kangaroo rats.
Goddamn, some motherfuckers used to hang out here, huh?
Yeah,
wow.
This was their city. And so this is one of the most intact ruins of all of the whole Mayan Empire that still stands today. So that's what we're here to see.
What do they do? Throw us out or take us to jail? We jump.
Oh, they'd take you to jail probably.
Which way you want to go? Okay.
How this root grew in this flat way. That is just so cool.
Oh, Jesus, it's weird. It's oh, it's dead as shit.
Is it
It's hollow, like dead.
hollow? Yeah. And you're right, that tree probably is about 800 years old. When we went to the other ruins, the other cenote near here that I did a video, I don't know if you guys have seen it, but he was telling me, our guide told me about, it was a chewing gum tree, and they had hacks on it where they used to extract the gum, and then they'd make gum out of the.
Really?
Yeah. And he took us through an off path into the jungle, and he showed us. He said this is the oldest tree on the property, and it's over 800 years old.
This is a good place to hug trees.
It is. This is real jungle hardwood. This is why people complain about do not cut down the jungle, you know, the rainforest. This is it. Yeah. This is all rainforest. If we were here at the right time of day, we could probably see howler monkeys climbing around. They're kind of like other animals like deer and stuff, where they'll go dormant kind of during the day. They'll lay around, but then in the evening they start wild. Yeah.
Yep.
This is cool. Wow. Haven't seen any iguanas yet. Look at that tree growing. A tree growing out of the rock. That's badass.
It seems like it's a little cool for them.
I don't know.
They'd be in the sunlight. Yeah, basking.
So as you see behind me, and this was what, 1200 AD? So this is the Pink Palace, where you can see the first level of rock that they built, and then eventually built over on top of it too. 1250 to 1550 AD. How cool is that? Another old structure. You can tell by the way the moss has got everything covered, the type of construction that was used as opposed to the upper construction.
It's like some sort of palm tree rooting out of that tree way up there. It kind of looks like a gum plant, a gum tree.
Yeah, it is a chewing gum tree. There's
Chewing gum tree, but
that's what we would call it.
Yeah.
They have another name, but this one's probably 800 years old here.
wow.
Because the one we saw was about that. It was bigger than that, but it was about that same size anyway.
Cut it down and count it.
Right? Says they no longer harvest the gum anymore. It probably became illegal because you end up damaging the trees.
Yeah, look at that cool knotted tree.
Wow. That is cool.
You go in there?
I don't know if you like bat shit. Bat shit or cat shit. If you see a big cat shit, run. But yeah, this is where the jaguars and the panthers
See any pollens?
tend to make their caves.
It's a fan palm.
Let's see. Kind of just stopped when he picked him up, huh? You rolled up.
No, he's dead.
Oh,
he's
the
not,
shell.
He's not in there. There's
Yeah.
a beetle.
A mosquito and a beetle. Wow.
Is this the jungle wood?
Yep. What is cool is look like it was been painted.
Yeah, it's all camouflage.
Yeah. Looks like wallpaper kind of on it. There's another cave. There's a jaguar cave.
You can see like there's like somebody's been walking back.
See the eyes back in the cave staring at us?
Wow, really?
It's an imaginary thing.
Oh, really?
What if it was though? Oh my god.
That'd be so cool.
I mean,
I'd
there's
love
a little
to see him.
path.
Yeah, I know. I'd love to see him poke his head
Something's
up
in
and
there.
just go. "Rawr." I'd be like, see ya. That would be badass. There's another one over here too. Little caves. He jumps
Where's
back.
I'm scared. I don't think we want wild animals like that. We're
So it's getting marshy because we're getting close to the lagoon here. Cool. Follow the yellow brick road. They do look like it, don't they? Beautiful.
Yeah, you don't even have to put this in the case.
No, it can go down to 33 feet. I know. That's why I like it. tower. See if we can see.
Yep.
Up top.
Maybe like on Joe Dirt and make it fall down.
That trap floated all the way to North Dakota. So see the blue hole out there? That's where the cenote burps up in to create the lake.
Yeah.
How cool.
Top of the rainforest.
So this concludes our excursion to Muyil. It was great. Got all the way to the lagoon and some of the ruins that are very well intact. So what a great trip it is. So it was only 65 pesos and 50 pesos to actually go to the lagoon. So a little over $5. We got to see a good portion of it, and the jungle too. So great time. 2 peace signs, 2 palm trees. No worries. See you on the next excursion.